Hello and welcome to Web Math Academy, where today we're going to discuss some basic statistical terms and show how we get that statistical data using our TI-Nspire CAS calculator and Microsoft Excel. Now, in today's society, a good working knowledge of statistics is crucial. Thankfully, both the TI-Nspire CAS calculator and Microsoft Excel provide many features to help you navigate this important subject. In this module, we're going to provide a data list, show the basic statistical information you can derive from it, and then use the TI-Nspire calculator and Microsoft Excel to get that information. In future tutorials, we'll discuss more advanced topics. Let's get on to our data list. Below is a modified list of the average high temperatures for the 12 months of the year for Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We see the list here is from 30.9 in January to 36.1 in December. It's helpful to place these numbers in numerical order as shown here. Now we can find the min and max values easily to be 30.9 for the minimum and 81.9 respectively. We can also find the mode to be the number that is repeated the most. In this case, there is just one number repeated twice, that's 44.2. The average, or mean, is simply the sum of all the numbers divided by the number of data points. In this case, the sum of the numbers is 684.6 divided by the 12 data points gives an average or mean of 57.05. Similarly, but a little bit different, is the median. The median is the number from which an equal number of data points is to its left and to its right. Here, since there is an equal number of data points, we have to take the average of the two middle points, 54.7 and 61.3, and taking the average of those would get 58 to be our median. Now that we have the data, let's look at our TI-Nspire calculator to see how to get it automatically. First, we put the data into the calculator using our spreadsheet, and we just put in the numbers: 30.9, 34.2, 36.1, 44.2, 44.2, 54.7, 61.3, 66.5, 73.5, 76.8, 80.3, and 81.9. Okay, that was the hard part. Now, to get some statistical values from this list of data, we go back to our menu button, click on number 4, Statistics, click on number 1, Statistics Calculations. One variable statistics is what we want. We just have one list of numbers, and 1 is good. And we want the A column, that's where we put our list of temperatures. And we want to put the results. We can have them in B, that would be fine, but to give it a little more space, let's put them in column C. Click OK. And then the calculator gives us the following data information, including an X-bar, which is the average or mean of 57.05. You'll recognize that that's the same number that we got over here. The sum of x squared. S is the standard deviation, or a measure of the spread of the data. That'll become very important later on. N, how many data points there are, is 12, one for each month. The minimum, which is 30.9. The median, which is 58. Again, that's what we got over here. And the maximum, obviously, is 81.9. So, the TI-Nspire calculator is very useful for this. With just one step, we got all that statistical information. How does it work with Excel? Well, let's take a look. Okay, so here we have our Excel spreadsheet, and I've already put in the values for the 12 months of temperatures over here. And then we want to get the same information we got from the calculator. We want to know the min, the max, the mean, the median, and the standard deviation. Easy to do, but takes a little more work. Let's try and find the max. First, go to fx function, and that's where we're going to put our formula in. And we want the max, we're going to type max, OK. And we need to put our list of data in here, which would be A1 to A12. OK. And just like that, it comes up with our maximum value, 81.9. The other information you find the exact same way. You type function, type what it is you're looking for, put in the list that you're looking for. So for here, our minimum, the function is min A1 to A12. Our mode, that's the number that was comes up the most. Mode A1 to A12 gives 44.2. Average, that's the mean. A1 to A12 gives 57.05. And median, A1 to A12 gives 58. So you can see these are all the same values that we got with the calculator and with doing hand calculations. This is just a brief introduction into how Excel and the TI-Nspire calculator can be used. In future tutorials, we'll discuss further how we can get some very important statistical information.